broomball. Not Quidditch, because you don't want to get sued by the Harry Potter lady, the richest lady in England next to the Queen. So, but now it's being redone. I wonder where they're going to play Quidditch. I mean, broomball. Yeah, maybe they're in the skate park. Yeah, it's good. Get out there in the sunshine, get some exercise. I love it. So, yeah, I came back this way and they had a whole bunch of cars already up at the library. People getting ready for whatever. I think there's an event up there at 2 o'clock. No, I probably won't stick around that long. Yeah. So I saw other people coming down. They were having big yard sales. What a great idea. Would have been a super idea. Everybody's going to have to stop anyway. Yeah. Get your grades here. Well, a lot of people die in the Harry Potter movies. You know? Yeah, lots of them. So maybe that's what it is. Yeah. Yeah. Well, Richard Harris didn't age with it. Or he did. He accelerated it as aging. Get another Dumbledore. Oh, I see. So they've got food trucks. Cub Scouts. Come join the Cub Scouts, not Boy Scouts anymore. That's not correct. Not correct. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, see, I forgot my wizard hat. Yes, let's go look at the sign. Broomball's this way, so you're right, it's probably up at the field. Yeah. Alright, wand dueling. Ooh, wand dueling. Flame crest. Chamber of Serpents. That's where Allie got over her fear of snakes. And ice cream. So basically there's only one thing over here, and that's Flame Crest Academy. That's the school. That's the elementary school. They transformed it. Yeah. Nice to walk down the middle of the street and not get run over, huh? I just want to walk right on top of these tables. Just want to walk right down the center line. Yeah. Let's go look at this stuff here. Fearless. Never had a Fearless tea before. Whoa. Behind the scenes look. The generator, yeah, another generator. Here, let's go back over here. Well, you can sit. There's tables right there. Thinkers and suds. Oh, I get it. Donuts. Yeah, love me some donuts. Wow, they've been around since 2016. Wow. Amazing. I didn't even know food trucks were legal in 2016. Here you can get some potato chips. Yeah, here's all the parts of the bowl. Oh, here you go. Just in case you like have heat exhaustion or need a place to cool down. This is your cool down place. So that's cool. It's a great idea. Yeah, they really needed it last year. Yeah, this year it's kind of nice. Yeah. Are they going to check your blood pressure in there? I can check my blood pressure. You can do that at Rite Aid. That's true. Rite Aid. Oh, look, Kung Fu. See? I think they're parked all the way down there. These guys are all the way down there. Savory creeps. Oh, sweet. hidden keys? Neat. Huh? Nice. Probably more so. Ooh, here's all your wands now. Well, Allie would have a field day with this. I want 5 of them. You go back and get the other one. Let's see what they go for.
And enjoy your magic.
I don't know. Is that a 3? It's $8. $8? It looks like they're all variable prices, somewhere around $10. Ooh, look. A little tentacle plush. Oh my god, demon hand. Very cool. Leather. Good one. Wow, they got little spell books. It's your pocket spell book. Tara's sister would love this place. Yeah, she's into the essential oils and stuff. Yeah. It all has alcohol in it. They dissolve. That's what dissolves the chemicals and the herbs and stuff. Yeah. Yep. Oh, look, like an origami dragon. Very cool. Wow. With Tara's good at origami, that'd be great. She should have set up a stand here. I know, but she's a naysayer. She wants to do it all by herself. T-shirts. Right. Oh my god, that's pretty cool. Starting to figure it out. There's a theme here. Wondering what that symbol with the triangle and the circle and the line means. I'm guessing it has something to do with Wicca, or it either has something to do with that, or it has something to do with Harry Potter. But I don't know, because I've seen it on license plates and bumper stickers all around this town. I do, but how do you look that up? There's no symbol for it. Can you look, you know what I mean? How do you type that in? You like that? Pretty cool. Hi. That's awesome. Thanks. We're just kind of doing a run through first, and then we'll come back. I check everything out. Oh, look. That's so cool. Nice. Very, very cool.
I don't know.
ceramics here, right on the ground, and then the way they swarm. Yeah.
I like it. That's you. That's you,
Yeah.
baby. And then spray when I'm looking for a
Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, absolutely. These guys are organized, you know. Tara's sister loves making soap. She gives us soap all the time. Yep. Yep. See this symbol right here. Is that Harry Potter? Is that from Harry Potter? That's just Wicca. Somebody said they could answer a question back here. Who was that? I gotta go. The lady said if you have any questions, ask. So I should ask her when I go back. Here. Again. Do you know, is that a Harry Potter symbol?
Yeah, it's always. It's the Book of Invisibility, the Elder Wand, and the
Sorcerer's Stone?
not the Sorcerer's Stone, the Resurrection.
Ah.
Sorcerer's Stone is basically Philosopher's Stone. Yeah.
Gotcha.
So that's the sign of the three hallows.
The three hallows, which are?
Book of Invisibility.
Okay.
Elder Wand.
Okay.
Resurrection Stone.
And when you get them all together, what happens?
Basically the guy becomes Master of Death.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, that's always good to be on good terms with.
Like, they're both people interpreting them way after the fact. So well, they probably got it wrong.
Gotcha.
They probably got it wrong because patriarchy.
I asked the right people. Thank you. Very much. Yep. Yep, I got it. Oh, they're open. We gotta go check it out. And you know, I don't drink. I just want to like see what's going on in this building because it's been like forever. Yeah. Neat. Yeah, that's a great idea. So you just sit here and drink? Stay on the rail and drink? Yeah? Huh. Sweet. They probably do. They probably just not today. Yeah.
Florida on the pants.
Yeah, good thing we got here before that happened. Yeah, open mic. I mean, anybody can play. Oh yeah, it was. Yeah. Somebody said they estimated 5,000 people came last year. 5,000. Yeah. Now let's go look at the chosen one. Wow, these are really nice ones. Ooh, they've got crystals on the top too. And symbols.
Hello. Feel free to
Hi.
give them a push and a flick.
Thanks.
That's what they're good for.
Thank you. Yeah, you don't want to trust me.
Then I don't trust you to adopt one of my pictures.
No, definitely not that. No. No, I'm a practitioner of the dark arts. Oh, nice.
Feel free to give him a sniff. 3 sniffs.
Lavender. Did you really? Oh, okay. Cool. Well, that's really inexpensive. That's great. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Allie likes to do things twice. She's like, can we get another sword? I'm like, we could go home and get the sword that you have. I don't want to go all the way home. Yeah. Yeah. I won't say anything, and don't tell them she's on YouTube. Well, she was walking beside me when I was doing it. We were talking the whole time, but I think I overdid the talking because I think there was music, so we had to delete that. Tribbles? No. That's not a tribble? It's a puff pet? Mandrake. What movie? Which movie was that? That's a leather hat. Whoa. Which movie was that? Where they pulled the mandrakes out. Which movie was that? Was it? So what were they called? The 3 what? I gotta go ask them again. They're gonna get into a fight. Did you hear that? They were gonna get into a fight about it. Like, no, not Master of Death, Friend of Death. Okay.